By the end of this course, you will be able to do 4 things with confidence. First, explain why agentic systems break traditional governance and what has to change. Second, set the terms on which your institution lets a system act, what it may do alone, what error it may carry, who answers for it. Third, build the operating model, the controls, the assurance and the evidence that prove the system is under control, not just approved once. And fourth, brief a board and meet a regulator on systems that act at machine speed. This is a working capability, not background reading. The course is built for the people who must decide, deliver, and answer for these systems. Executives and boards who carry the accountability. Risk, audit, and compliance teams who must challenge and assure. Operations and transformation leaders who run the work. And governance and technology leads who design the controls. You do not need a technical background. Where a technical idea matters, it is explained in plain terms through a real decision. Here is how the course is laid out. After this introduction, we start with why governance is different when a system acts on its own. Then, the heart of control, keeping autonomous agents safe, secure, and stoppable, managing the risk and assuring it, building a governance operating model that actually runs, governing them while they run in real time, and auditing them with evidence that holds. From there, we widen out the regulatory landscape your institution has to navigate, what the board and only the board can answer for. A first look at rehearsing governance through simulation, governing the agents you do not own across your ecosystem, and finally, how the systems fail and how to respond and recover. 12 modules, each with one clear outcome, and each with a tool you can use. Take the modules in order the first time. Each one builds on the last. Keep the downloads beside you, because the real value is applying them to your own institution, not just watching. And treat the running example as a mirror, not a template. Your context will differ, but the questions are the same. Next, the tools you can download, the running case we will follow, and where the books fit.